Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Huntington online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Huntington bank login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you will be able to redirect it to the official login page of the Huntington online banking, where you can see it is asking us for our user ID or username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the login and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your username, then simply tap on the forgot username, or if you have forgotten your password, then simply tap on the forgot passwords on in the screen. And you need to verify yourself and you need to complete few more formalities as well. So once you verify yourself, you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Huntington online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.